Hi everyone, welcome back to Feathersuit. In today's topic, we'll be seeing the chicks poop. So, what type of colors the chicks will be, chicks will be giving, chicks droppings will be, and whether those droppings are healthy or not, and what to be done and what not to be done. Guys, as per everyone's request, I am also coming with a chicks droppings video. This is for all who have hand feeding birds with them. I get to see some 3 to 4 colors of droppings and what does it says and what should we do and what will be the remedy of it. So guys, as I would like to say, share a small instant. When you bring any bird when they are in hand feeding stage, for sure guys, you will enjoy their company and they'll be a best birds ever you had in your life as a bird keeper. uh, Guys, the color of hand feeding, what you feed, the 90% the droppings will be of same color. For example, recently you would have seen my finches videos. you know uh, since I got those finches on intention, and I didn't had the formula. What I did was like I used my own home remedy which works effectively for one particular category of bird. So having said that, this may not work on all types of birds, and please I request everyone to go for hand feeding formula if you are particularly bringing any type of hand feeding bird to your place. Okay. So many use chana powder, black chana powder, which is used to make some snacks at the evenings. Guys, do not use that. If in case if you are using it and if your bird is responding to it, for sure you will be seeing some yellow color dropping itself, or sometimes a bit green, and green with white also. No need to worry, as long as bird is healthy and eating feed, taking the hand feeding formulas as per schedule, no need to worry about it. And any hand feeding formulas of, usually they come in yellow color, pale yellow or dark yellow color. So the same droppings you will be seeing with bit watery. Sometimes uh, you might feed the hand feeding formula bit watery, the same color will be coming down with more of water and less of the yellow color poop. But having said that, if you are mixing it thick, sometimes whatever the required proteins will be extracted from the chick and remaining thing will be coming in the form of droppings, and once again it might contain that urine and everything. So that is how it will be. And if you are giving something like malt, mix of, like it's a flour of all the seeds, grains, which is available in the market. So malt will be something like the brown color, the same thing will be coming in the form of droppings, brown and brown droppings, brown color feed and brown color droppings. And so since I have told some emergency, I didn't had formula, what I used was ragi flour and wheat flour. Okay. So the proportion is like, if you're taking 3 spoons of ragi flour, you need to take 1.5 spoon of wheat flour. Why? Because wheat is such a grain that it contains fat, and which digests once again very slow. But having said that, ragi is very good for digestion, and it will also once again boost the immune power and immunity of the bird. So this is what I prefer in the emergency situation, not every time. If I am feeding the same thing for exotic birds or something like cocktails, I make sure that if my hand feeding formula is over, once one time feed will be preferable for feeding this one, this ragi and wheat combination, not every day. Okay. Only if emergency, the word, please remember guys, the word emergency. And if you are feeding Cerelac, obviously Cerelac, you are supposed to go for apple wheat flour, then the same droppings will be coming down, so no need to worry about it. Okay, but chicks which has been raised by feeding hand feeding formula, and chicks which has been raised by feeding these natural remedies and homemade formulas, uh, will be having a very low immune power than the activeness and the high immune power of chicks which is raised in hand feeding formula. Okay, uh, so what can be done and what should not be done, and what is my observation about the chicks poop. Guys, you no need to get panic if you are seeing some new color of poop which is not seen as usual. For example, you will be feeding pet life, yellow droppings will be there, and all of a sudden you will be seeing some white droppings or something like that. No problem guys, because they will be giving uh, certain functions to organs which will be not working that effectively. So that will be one reason, which basically means like when they are chicks, no, certain organs will be very young and they won't be knowing, they may not function accurately. When you get to see certain changes, then it also starts working very effectively, and in this way you might tend to see some dropping color changes. And since I have told in my hand feeding formulas part 1 and part 2 of my videos, use multivitamin every alternative days in the morning feed. So please do follow it, so that in return, even if the bird is eating less, that will compensate the bird's health and their immunity also. And keep separate bowl for hand feeding. Okay, so something like bowl and spoons and everything, please make sure that you are keeping separately, dedicatedly for hand feeding birds. Do not clean with any detergents, and clean with an normal water. uh, don't feed high fat food for smaller birds. This is very much important guys, because small birds require low fat formula. If you are good in taking care of birds, you will be knowing which bird require high fat and which bird require low fat. When it comes to cocktails, they are not an high fat birds, they are a low fat birds, and they require low fat formulas. When you are going for African greys or Indian ringneck parrots, for sure they are a bigger birds than cocktail. You are supposed to give them the high fat proteinous food. Okay. uh, so sometimes you can see watery poop or some irregular poop. How I'll come up with a small example. Many people will be WhatsApping me their droppings of the bird. Sir, this poop is okay or what? Is it a normal or is it an abnormal? They'll be feeding and feeding formula, and they'll be knowing what type of color it will be coming. So no problem. For example, if you are having an Indian ringneck parrot, okay, if you are feeding something like chenna powder, so you get to see the dark green color itself. Why? Because uh, parrots are very smart birds, and they they are you know uh, they they are very smart even in their digestive part also. Until unless bird is not disturbed, or they are force fed, nothing, no harm will be happening. If you are not taken the bird, and if you are left the bird once after the fed on the floor, and if you are playing with the birds, then it will lead to other lots and lots of complications. Okay, so watery poop though, not to worry, as I was telling, and other things are not at all worried. And guys, you should be worried when the bird is not at all eating. Okay, so why it will happen? Because of your pure negligence. So do not leave or play with the bird once after it is fed. Okay, please make sure that you follow the part 1 part 2 video of hand feeding formula, hand feeding care of the bird, so that you will be getting handy information. And also meanwhile this will be a connecting video of that hand feeding videos. So this is about this today's chicks poop topic, guys. So what can be a best possible droppings you can see from your chicks. Okay, this is Chetan, and before I sign off, I am available in a number of social medias like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and Telegram also. The reason why I have not done my WhatsApp group is because it has it has a limit of members. But having said that, I have a group in Telegram. Please do follow me in the same number, so that if you have any queries, you can just WhatsApp me there also. So this is Chetan signing off from Feathersuit. Thank you once again. Stay home, stay safe.